Okay, so this is the little miniature washing machine that will be taken to the property to use. It's not very big, but it's collapsible. So let's just set it up and see what happens. This is going to be the lid. This is the basket, as you can see. It's not very big. Power cord. And then we just uncollapse it. This is a little awkward. First time doing this. Just tug up until it's fully extended, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. Over here on this side, we have a drain hose where you'll drain the water out. This is for your functions. And there's a power, there it is, there's a power slot. So let's plug that bad boy in. Bear with me because I'm going to have to read the instructions. Like I said, it's first time use. Just plug this in. Put clean water directly into the washing machine in the wash bucket. The injected water in moderation. Don't in too many. Okay, well, obviously that's not in English, or at least not very good English. Please do not will be higher than 60 degrees of hot water directly into the washing machine. Wash clothes in order to avoid products because of high temperature heat deformation cause the whole machine bad. Okay, so we're gonna kind of wing this here just a little bit. Plug it in. Okay. Not quite sure about this little bucket. It has no instructions for that little bucket, actually. None whatsoever. But we're going to say it sits down on that little pokey thing there. Pop that in. Now that really does not look like it's going to hold a whole lot. So we're going to start with one t-shirt after we get it full. So let me fill it up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have water in the machine. Now we're going to go ahead and get this shirt in there. It's already been pre-soaked because it had a blood stain on the back. So we've already put some OxiClean on there. We're going to drop it in. And I'm thinking a t-shirt is about all you're going to get in here, or you might be able to use it for underwear. Because, like I said, it's not very big. This is a bit concerning. Can't get the lid on because it won't squish in. There we go. Finally, it's sealed. Now, it says long press for 2 seconds to start. We're going to do the 10-minute standard washing. And there she goes. Let's give it a shot and see how it works out. You know, one thing I did not give consideration to was spinning the water out. So I'm gonna assume we'll have to drain the water out of the drain hole and maybe spin it again, but we'll see. You know, I really don't have a whole lot of patience, so I'm going to lift this lid, see what's going on. Well, it is swishing around in there. I can't possibly say how it's going to get that shirt clean, though, because it's one big shirt in a little bitty basket. So we're going to wait until it's over and see what we get. Okay, now when it was done, it did beep like 3 or 4 times to let you know it was finished. So now I'm gonna turn this off, take it over and drain the water out, and then we'll see if it took that stain out. I'll let you know. Be right back. Okay, we're back, and as you can see on that shirt, it did not remove the blood stain, even though it was pre-soaked. So while it's functional, it's probably a good usage for something small, like maybe bras, underwear, cloth diapers, if you use cloth diapers and you want to do those daily or every couple of days, might be fine. However, if you just want to use it for typical everyday light dirt, probably fine for that. But for anything heavy duty, I would say either use a scrub board, hand wash it, beat it on a rock, use a rail washer, because this is not what you're going to need for the tough stains.